We've been following the murder case of retired California Police Chief 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗓 since last August when the hit-and-run occurred. A grand jury indicted the two teen suspects in October, but now they face additional charges. Our 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 explains why those charges were added and what that means for the case.
The two teens accused of intentionally running over a retired police chief were arraigned on additional charges Thursday morning, charges one of the defense attorneys called, quote, unlawful. 18-year-old 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 and 16-year-old 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 entered not guilty pleas for the second time in court Thursday, a superseding grand jury indictment adding additional charges for 𝗙𝗢𝗟. But the superseding indictment came under fire when 𝗙𝗢𝗟's public defender David Westbrook argued prosecutors violated state law by combining offenses unrelated to the original crimes.
Just for the record, we're objecting to this re-indictment. It's a clear violation of NRS 173.115.
David Roger is the former Clark County District Attorney and says prosecutors can combine charges from a separate criminal incident if they can show they are somehow related.
The law requires you to show some kind of connection between the different cases in order to join the case and present the case to a jury.
While prosecutors did not describe in court the circumstances surrounding the secondary indictment, a Metro arrest report from January identifies 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 as the prime suspect in a vehicle theft and attempted murder in the North Valley last June.
It's difficult to determine whether there's a sufficient connection between the attempted murder and attempted robbery a month and a half earlier and this crime spree. There may be.
As for Keys, no additional charges were added for him. He appeared in court with a heavily bandaged right arm that was not explained.
𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 is your first name?
The teens are facing several felony charges after a deadly crime spree in the Northwest last August. Police say the pair intentionally hit and killed 64-year-old retired police chief Andy Probst. Probst had been cycling in a designated bike lane. The teen murder suspects are scheduled for a trial readiness check on March 12th. At the Regional Justice Center, I'm 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪.